Hear me now, TVS.
LB, yeah. Hi, I'm Tyeisha and welcome to Shonna's Space. So today we'll actually be making some milk cookies. It's not an original recipe. I'm actually just adapting a recipe from someone to call Emma's Goodies. I think the name is. So in her recipe she uses butter, flour, and condensed milk. But I don't have any butter or margarine here, so I'm just going to be using oil. So I'll be showing you how I did that instead. A cup and a tablespoon of flour, and then she uses butter, but I'm actually going to be using oil, and she uses a half cup of butter. But instead I'm going to start with a quarter cup of oil because oil is liquid and butter is solid. And I really don't know if this is actually going to work, but we're trying a thing. Alright, so that's mixed up. I know I'm supposed to add a quarter cup of sweet milk, condensed milk. So looking at this mixture, I can already tell that it actually needs more flour. So I'm just gonna get more flour and add to that. So I'm just doing a half cup of flour now. So I'm just gonna do some mixing with my hands. It still seems a little crumbly, so I may add just a few drops of water. And now it's time to roll out. So I'll flour my surface and I'm going to attempt to roll this out now. At this point, you probably want to preheat your oven. Since I can't find a cookie cutter right now, I'm just going to try to cut it with a ball cap. Alright. The edges are going to be a little bit rough, but if you have a cookie cutter or something else that is a bit sharper, then that should definitely work for you. You just want to kind of reform it and roll it right back up so that you can make more. So I now have 30 little cookies, and I'm going to put them in my preheated oven and then come back when they finish baking. Should only take about 10 to 15 minutes probably. So the cookies have finished baking. Some of them are a little burnt. Let me just bring it up to the camera so you can see what the cookies looking like. So it just looks like a little round little button. And now we're actually going to dip it in condensed milk, because some other toppings that you could try are Nutella, I'm just gonna put the cookie inside, roll it around in the sweet milk, and take that off. Get that out. So I'm just gonna repeat that with the rest of the cookies. You should make sure your cookies are actually partially closed before you do this, or it might just not allow the condensed milk to adhere to it. If you live somewhere hot, you might want to consider putting these in the freezer or the fridge so that they can set. So the cookies were actually very tasty, but there is one thing to note. So I used to use oil. I actually use sunflower oil, and it has a bit of an aftertaste. So if you're using oil, you will want to be very careful about which oil you use. Like maybe you have like a flavor-free oil or like a coconut oil, because I know coconut oil usually has a pretty pleasant flavor, at least the coconut oil that I use. So if you can try using something like that. But thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.